Alright guys, the load is already on the rack. I wish we could made a video about it, but I'm sure that the lead hands will show you how to put the rack on, the load on the rack. So for now, as you can see, the load is here. And first thing we're going to do, we're going to align the load. It should be aligned along this line. So let's pull it to this side as much as we can. There we go. That should be enough. That should be enough. Alright, so the load is in the proper position. Let's go on the controller. Let's see what's going on in the controller. So in order to run anything and to choose any of the programs which are already programmed inside, we need to make sure that there are no active alarms. Now, as you can see here, we do have one active alarm, and we're going to check out what is it. Let's see what's causing the alarm. Because if we start the program while the alarm is still on, we will probably not be able to push it in. So it's important to see what's going on. It says oil fans failure, which means you're going to just turn off the oil pumps. Now we don't have no alarms, as you can see, no alarms. Also, the stabilizing time, the ATM stabilization time is 120 seconds, and it already ran. So we're good when it comes to conditions on this screen. Let's go on the other screen. The other screen, we're gonna choose the right program for the load that we got inside. Hold on a second. So this is 4140 job through hardening. We got some Sudak blocks there. They're like maybe a bit more than 2 inches in thickness. There's also a few holes on it, so I think it's going to be 2 hours run for 4140s. There's another job also Sudak. Okay, let's choose the right program. Press this button. Now you can see there are different chambers. We got to start from the loader chamber. That's our starting chamber. So let's go through them. Rack, loader treatment. That's the one that you need. So let's go with the start. Okay, now it's gonna give us a menu and the list of all the programs that we have inside. Here, 3 dots. Press them. There we go. So this is the program that I'm going to use. 4140, 2 hours. Alright, so it shows it. Let's go through the program. There's already, I see a mistake. Somebody made a mistake on 1600 here, but we're going to correct it. I'm going to show you how. There's also, you can see, 4140s are ran on 1550 for 2 hours in this case. Okay, let's start the program. Alright, the program is started. It says transfer to heat. That's exactly what we're going to do. Now Sammy, if you can take a picture, you can take a video of exactly what I'm doing here. Okay, the load is here. So all the conditions are met so we can run stuff. So I'm going to tilt the door first. This is a tilt. Alright, then we're going to open the door. There we go. There's a button called load start. And the way we're going to load it, if you can see the bolt here, the bolt should go all the way to the end of the rail. Now Sammy, you can take a picture there. There we go. By the end of the rail. Start pulling out the close the door, tilt the door back. That's it. The load is in, the program is going. Keep an eye on the temperature. Once it drops below 1400, the atmosphere maximum valve is going to shut off. So be there to acknowledge the alarms, and then later again when the alarm says that it's safe to run stuff again, so you can turn on the maximum valve again.